So your question is asking if the range is outside of the value area. So basically, like, imagine our range high here and like our range low here. Do we respect the value levels or do we respect the range high and range low? And you'll actually see me do this on my stream pretty often when we have days like this, is I'll draw like a box. And I'll find like where the volume nodes are. So like right here, there's like a node here, and there's like a node that falls off like kind of somewhere around here. You can see it starts to fall off pretty rapidly. And you kind of draw a zone around that area, and that's kind of where you want to be looking for those trades. So like this one would be somewhere around like this area here, because that's where that volume falls off. It doesn't have to be perfect, just like somewhere around that area. And that's kind of the idea of where you want to trade. Not just the exact value level, kind of where the volume and where the wicks, where the candles are trading. So if you do this method, it will most of the time grab those wicks or grab those candles for you, because that's where the volume is. So it just gives you more of a zone to trade for those rotations, not the exact level. Now, sometimes if you have a very small rotation, like a 10 to 15 point rotation, it can respect those value levels like to the tick. So you do have to be careful on that. But this is how I think about it. I think about it more as like a zone around that volume fall off.